Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can deposit a check through mobile app in Capital One, so let's jump right in. To begin, open the Capital One mobile app on your phone and sign in using Face ID or your username and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your accounts are displayed. Tap on the checking account where you'd like to deposit the check. On the account overview screen, you'll see your balance along with several quick action options. Tap on the deposit button to start the mobile check deposit process. You'll be directed to the deposit screen where you'll need to take photos of your check. Tap the camera icon to begin. Place the check on a flat, dark surface and make sure it fits neatly within the camera frame. The app will automatically capture the image once everything is aligned. Then, turn the check over and let the app capture the backside as well. Once both sides are photographed, enter the exact amount written on the check. You can also include an optional note for your reference. When you're ready, swipe the green button to submit the deposit. A confirmation message will appear, and in most cases, the funds will be available by the next business day.